Hi folks, and welcome back to another fast forward video. If you watched our last video, you'll remember we brought fast forward up from Gosford via Merritt's Wharf at Empire Bay, where we had the mast removed. Now we're here in Hardy's Bay at Kilcare Marina, and we are basically getting her lifted up. Now she was floated over the pontoon at high tide this morning, so the amount of boat showing is high tide differential this morning, plus whatever the space was under the keel. So she's now being lifted up slowly. Starts very slowly, and then towards the end it comes up with a bit of a rush, and she's looking not too bad underneath actually. Moderate growth on the bow. It was quite strange to note that there's a patch basically with a very straight line where it seems some different compound was used, which was not quite as good as the rest. So there were a little bit of shell growth there, but certainly not too bad. And everybody seemed to be impressed with how little growth there was over the last 2 and a bit years that I've had her. So good to see. So as we are lifting up, basically, we actually managed to catch some fish. There was about 6 or 7 mullet flopping around on the pontoon, which were brushed off and put back into the sea. If you fished with a line for weekends at a row, you probably wouldn't catch that many, but anyway, such is the luck. Okay, so looking at a cleaner fast forward here, just going around, having a look at how she looks. Not too bad, nothing significant, and yeah, you can sort of see there that she's drying off a bit now, but you can rub your hand over it. It wasn't too bad. So the guys came along with the gurney and started cleaning her off, scraping, and now we wait for the next stage, the paint.